Welcome to Quad Tech. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of connecting your custom domain purchased from GoDaddy to your blog or website. Having a personalized domain adds a professional touch and makes your blog more memorable for your audience. Go to Settings. On the left sidebar, click on Settings. Enter your GoDaddy domain. Access your GoDaddy account. Find the domain you want to use with your blog and go to its Settings or DNS Management section. Look for the DNS settings or DNS records. Add the name and a records. Go back to your Blogger settings where you were configuring your domain. Click Save. Enable Redirect Domain. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.